In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom header and footer in WordPress. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your website a fresh, professional look, customizing your header and footer can make a big difference in showcasing your brand and improving visitor experience. WordPress is a powerful platform, and with its user-friendly tools, creating a unique design is easier than you might think. So let's walk through the steps together and get your website looking polished and professional in no time. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by logging into WordPress. Open your browser and go to www.wordpress.com. This is the starting point for accessing your WordPress account. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. To make the process simple and secure, select the option to continue with Google. This way you won't need to remember any additional passwords. Now choose the Google account you'd like to use to log in. Once you've selected your account, you'll be logged into WordPress seamlessly. Next up, let's access your website's backend, which is where all the magic happens. On the right-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, there's a panel that includes a section called Quick Links. Once you locate Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to your website's backend where you can start making changes. From there, click on your site name, which will redirect you to the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing and customizing your website. Now that we're in the right spot, it's time to customize your header. Start by navigating to the top part of your homepage view where you'll see the header section. Click directly on the header and you'll notice a ribbon or menu appear just beneath it. From that menu, click on Edit. This will open up the customization mode specifically for your header. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel labeled Design. This is where you can really start to make the header your own. Experiment with different styles, adjust the colors, and update the text to reflect your brand. Take your time here. This is your chance to create something unique that resonates with your audience. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, scroll to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures all your hard work is finalized and won't be lost. And for the final part, let's go over a few important reminders. If you ever need to make additional changes to your header or footer, you can always revisit these steps at any time. Keeping your website updated not only improves the user experience, but also helps leave a lasting impression on your visitors. So now you know exactly how to create and customize your header in WordPress, giving your site a professional and personalized touch. If you have any questions about this process or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.